How do you get a countertop to go from this to this? I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions, and today I'm here at Columbus Granite with Amir. This is our countertop partner. And today we're walking through the whole process that our JSB customers experience, from selecting their countertops all the way through installation. So Amir, can you start off with explaining what the material selection process looks like?
Absolutely. When you come into our facility, we welcome you with warm smiles and directly go to the warehouse to browse some material. So let's do that.
Let's start there.
Once you come in here, you are looking at a warehouse full of full-size slabs for you to browse and pick from. We've got engineered material as well as all kinds of natural stone available in this warehouse. Each slab will have a tag like this. It will tell you what we call that material, what kind of material it is, and then the group information. Group refers to pricing, A being the most affordable, and towards Z is going to be most exotic and expensive material. As you come to this warehouse and going through each aisle, we have a very customer-led, low-pressure experience. We will be around to answer any questions and always be available for you. But we want you to take your time and browse the warehouse, go over each aisle, compare slabs of your liking with your samples, take pictures of it for future reference, and we'll always be around to answer any questions, whether it might be about a particular stone or if you need to be informed about more general properties of a different kind of material. I would like to think that we have a great selection that everybody can find something for their liking. We have a big variety of colors as well as all kinds of material available in this warehouse. We do our purchases from local suppliers, wholesalers in this area. You will find some of the popular colors from the local suppliers in this area, as well as some unique finds that we directly import. Once you've browsed the warehouse and found your favorites, we go directly back to the showroom.
We're back in the showroom. You've taken pictures of your favorite slabs. You've browsed through the whole warehouse. What's next?
All right. Next up would be grabbing one of these visit sheets and going over all the pictures of your selections from your phone and copying everything down in here. I would not need to ask you a lot of questions in this step because a lot of your project details, the little boring things, we get it directly from the JSB. So it just comes down to us going over your selections one by one, me copying them down into the visit sheet, and if you have any questions about them, this would be a great time to ask those, and I can always, if there's anything specific that needs to be known about a specific slab that's in your selections, I can always prompt them to you, bring it over, and we can have a discussion. We would be picking one of the islands over here just to go over some of the details. We have an edge profile sampler here that kind of rotates and lets you see all the different kinds of edge profiles that we can finish your countertops in. We've got some decorative ones as well as non-decorative ones. Once I learn your preference of edge over here, I note it down in the visit sheet as well. Any selections that is made here is for our purposes, just to get the project going on. But a lot of these things can be changed down the line in later steps of the process. Once Once edges have been picked, we go over here and I ask you if you have any preference on a sink. We've got stainless steel sinks as well as granite composite sinks. Since stone countertops are all custom fabricated, you are very welcome to purchase any kind of sink from anywhere you want. And we will be able to measure that sink and make an appropriate cut for it. That being said, we do have a few selections of simple sinks that has worked really well for us over the years, and we can offer those to you. Next up, we would be going over to these showroom kitchens and kind of go over the backsplash. If you are thinking a 4-inch backsplash like over here versus tiles, maybe a full height backsplash, this would be time to discuss that, pros and cons of each, and that way we can build the estimate according to that. So once we've copied your selections and answered any questions, then you would be receiving an estimate from us within the same day or the next day that will list all the different kinds of materials that were included in your browsing experience. And from there on, you let us know how you want to move forward. We do a deposit and a contract and put a sold tag on your slab.
So now you've bought your slab and it's time to get it from the warehouse to your house. So during your kitchen remodel or your bath remodel, JSB is going to come in and demo your old kitchen, set the new cabinets in place. We set up a temporary sink so you can still use your kitchen. And the next step is going to be the measurement appointment. Amir, can you tell us what happens during that appointment?
Yes, we cooperate with JSB and communicate about the timeline of the remodel so that we can integrate the measurement appointment in there. During the measurement appointment, we would be sending out a technician from our team come into your house with laser equipment to template out the space. Laser equipment allows us to precisely measure your countertops and take things like wall unevenness into account. The measurement appointment is also a technical review of the space. If there is any details that needs to be talked about, things like the overhangs, round corners, confirmation of the edge profile and things of that nature, they all get discussed with the measurer and confirmed with you. Once the technician confirms all the details of your project with you and does the templating, we get back here and prepare for fabrication. Before fabrication, depending on your material of choice, if the stone has lots of movement and color variations, which is especially found in natural stone, we'd need to invite you back in here for a layout appointment, and let me show you what that looks like. So I've got your cut sheets in here and your slab. This is the exact slab that we're going to be using for your project open out in here. Now I'm going to use some of these tape to lay out, give us a visual reference of how it might look like in your kitchen, and so that we can invite you back in here, go over this, have a discussion, and see if you want to change anything, move anything, and get it ready for fabrication. So once you come in to meet us at your layout appointment, we will have a layout of your kitchen on a slab, all done, ready to go. This is what we think is an ideal fit, ideal use of the kitchen, ideal use of the slab for your kitchen. But this is where we get to discuss if you want to shift something, move it, rotate it. This is if you want to change your slab. This is where we discuss all of those. We've got an island in here, perimeter in there. You get to see your sink cutout that's going to be lost. Yeah, and then we can sort of compare it with the cut sheets to give you an idea of where everything lands on. And if you're happy with this layout, we confirm a few more details that was discussed on the measurement. Make sure that you don't have any questions, that everything has been understood from both parties. and we move on to the fabrication. And this layout gives the fabricator, the CNC machine operator, a visual reference on what to cut from where, what part of the slab.
The next stage is the fabrication stage. So can you just give us a quick overview of what happens in this part of your facility?
Absolutely. Your countertops are fabricated by us here in Lewis Center, Ohio. We have a fully automated CNC water jet that does a lot of the cutting for us. Your slabs that you've used during the layout is transported then to here and put it on this table to be automatically cut by this machine with highest standard of precision, I should say. And then once the pieces have been cut, they will be moved to the polishing stations over there, where they will be polished and finished, all ready to go to your home.
The final step to get your new countertops in your house is the installation phase. So can you tell us what a homeowner would need to know about the installation step?
All right. Installation is where we send a crew of installers out to your address on the scheduled time and day, where they come in a group of 2, 3, or sometimes 4, depending on the size of the project. They will come in with your finished tops. They will unload them in, set them in place, and finish installing, do cleaning, and leave. We try to take care of fabrication here in our warehouse and not leave any tasks for installers to be done on site. In some rare cases involving certain, say, softer stones or just certain scenarios in some spaces, we may have to do some of the finishing touches, like completion of a sink cutout on site. But I would say for most projects, it's a fairly simple experience where the crew comes in, puts the countertops in, finishes the installing, make sure everything looks good. And that concludes the process of getting this from material selection to installation, getting new countertops. That being said, this process is repeated in case of full height splash projects where we would be running the material to the wall vertically, the same material as we used in the countertop. For those projects, first we need to measure for countertops, then install countertops, then measure for full height splashes, then install those.
Thank you so much for walking us through this whole process today. And this whole process only goes this smooth because we have such great partners like Columbus Granite that we work with. We do all of the prep work and scheduling behind the scenes so that you just get to do the fun parts of picking out the countertops and the colors that you like for your new kitchen. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. So always remember to dream big and remodel smart.